My name is Carissa. I'm a sophomore, and I'm gonna talk about a few things. I guess I'll start with myself. I was in Boston the week of spring break, and if you didn't know, there was a huge outbreak there. And my parents went clean mode and they disinfected everything before we touched it. We came back to San Antonio the Saturday of spring break. Yeah, it's been about 10-ish days. I don't even know days anymore. Everything's just flying by so fast. But we don't have any symptoms, so I think we'll be good. I hope. We will. Also, I've never had so much motivation to just change myself in my whole life. I guess it's the idea of leaving or not seeing anyone for an amount of time where you can really change yourself physically, mentally, emotionally. And I just want to come back a whole different person and just bring light to people, because I know that I can be not the best person to hang out around because I'm a teenager. I have moodiness, but I'm working on it. I've been working out, I've been eating healthy, I'm not really worried about anything, and I'm just learning how to really use this time in an effective way. That's it. Bye.